GM everyone. How are you? Welcome to day 2 of World Africa Conference. I don't know if you can hear me. If you can hear me, please give me some love, right? Tap love emojis. Show me some love. Show yourself some love too. Take this moment also to say hi on chat box. Say hi, how was your experience yesterday if you are here. If you're also, it's your first day today, that's okay to share also on the chat box about today, what are you looking forward to achieve today. Yes, I'm also typing on chat box, right, so that we all get started together. I know that we are all in one page. Oh, perfect. Yes, we are all in the same page. We are all on the same page. I'm really excited. First of all, I really want to thank each and every person who have joined us today for this second session. It's amazing to have you. It's amazing to have this time to come together, to network, to create, to learn, and mostly to come up with a solution that scales across Africa, and to be able to meet experienced founders and developers that are here. And the person presenting today, your host today, is Rob John, founder and CEO of MEMOI Africa. And MEMOI Africa is the leading ecosystem of developers and founders who are dedicated to decentralized technology. And MEMOI has a mission of onboarding and nurturing well-talented developers and making sure that we are all exploring all these opportunities. Now, MEMOI Africa came up with MEMOI Africa because of the niche in the market, right? We have more developers, but yet we still have less experience in Web3, right? Less developers in Web3 who are really experienced, who are building the products at scale. And we have the Code Africa conference so that we can discuss on all these natures, right? So we can discuss on how we are getting together into this mission. We are coming together, we are building together, right? And on top of that, we might also have other services that make sure that we are getting onboarded to Web3 and other emerging technologies. And these are things we have boot camps, and MEMA is so fortunate as hosted over 4 boot camps. We also have hackathons. We have dev banters. This is our experience and growth of developers. This is done weekly basis in X Spaces. We also have dev hours. Dev hours is a technical deep dive in different types of protocol and also coming together to build. And this is done here on YouTube on weekly basis. We also have talent fairs. This is where, after building and scaling our own developers, we are connecting them with the outside, with the global market, right? We also have MEMOI University chapters. MEMOI has partnered over 40 universities across 10 countries, in Africa. We have also partnered with 40 TDGs under these schools as well, to make sure that we are skilling ourselves in these local communities. MEMOI also is hosting one of its kinds. This is called Africa Conference. Called Africa Conference is supposed to bring each and every developer. This is where we come as developers. This is made for developer by developers, right? Whereby we come and discuss together. We create the opportunities, we bring that energy together. And yesterday, we had an amazing speaking session from different speakers, and all of them were emphasizing on one thing. We need to create an inclusive community for developers wherever we are, wherever country we are. It doesn't matter if there is other developer communities, but we need more of these communities. And this is an initiative of MEMOI Africa as well. And as we look forward in the next year, we are launching EdTech to increase and to promote education sector, right? So that we have a qualified developers. And moving forward to today's space, I'd like to show that to yesterday's speakers before we start. We had Felix Masharia, CEO of Botany Bay. We had our Saki Ayodeji, CEO of Web3 Africa. We had Eric Adnan, CEO of Aya. We had yes, I really want to read each and every person out. Yes, we had Sharon Tebito, Utu software developer, Idris Olobisi, Accela developer relationship and founder of Web3 Africa. We have also Ibrahim Chuku, smart contract auditor at Quill Audits. We had as well Vedang Vetsa, founder of hashtag Web3. We also had Jordan Muthemba, developer evangelist at Silo. And today we are really honored to have also amazing speakers that are lined up for us. We have workshops coming up today. We have workshops from Avalanche. We have workshops from Tesos. We have workshop from Fidi. We have workshop as well from Aqualabs. We have workshop from Super Team Nigeria. We will also have amazing speakers as well from Mara Blossom at QC by an program manager of Women D5. We also have one of the workshops also have Solana workshops. We are going to have a speaker as well, Quifera, founder of OFI Institute. We are also going to have Adebola Adriana. This is a workshop from Tesos. Antonio Lendo, developer education at Polygon, delivering us the workshops of today. And if you have any questions concerning yesterday or anything that you need to be addressed when it comes to the size of developers, please put it on your inbox, chat up, ask any question, as well as follow MEMOI Africa, tweet this event, invite as many people, let people come and also experience this Code Africa. Use hashtag MEMOI Africa, hashtag Code Africa Conference, invite as many devs, tech edges. Let's come and share together, right? Let's come and receive this knowledge, network, and be able to build solutions that scale across Africa. I am our first session today is from Fidi. First session today is from Fidi, and I'm bringing him up in a moment. We have workshop from Fidi, that is Introduction to Data Analytics in Web3 with FIDA. And our speaker today is none other than Sruti Mandena. Sruti Mandena is a developer relations engineer at FIDA. Also a speaker, he has attended several types of speaking sessions, also delivering different types of workshops, that is the technical workshops. And we are honored to have her today to give us a workshop on data analytics in Web3. And our theme is building inclusive blockchain ecosystem for developers. Okay, so add that on your tweets, also post on other platforms. Each and every person, you are highly welcome to this session as we start. Thank you. Yes, as we're waiting for the FIDI, pardon me that first pronunciation. As we're waiting for FIDI, Please share on the Twitter handle, share on your own platform, share about what is going on. Code Africa Conference, a developer themed event that brings each and every person. It doesn't also mean that if it's only for experienced developers or already at them, right? This is also a session that it's for everyone who needs to join into to be a developer, right? And you don't know where to start from. This is where to start from. MEMOI is really an open place whereby we also working with Web2 devs who are interested, not only Web2 devs, but each and every person who is interested to learn about developers. We are here to support you in every journey that you are going through, right? We are here to give you every support from the tools that you need. When you talk about the tools that you need, we have also partnered with universities to make sure that the undergraduate who doesn't have enough tools, that's when it comes to the laptops, we are able to provide them. We are also giving you support in terms of guiding you on the key steps that you need to go through, but also the areas that you need to acquire the resources. Not only that, but also bring to you qualified speakers, qualified developers, and yes, to give you how should we do this? How has the journey been? I know sometimes we have a lot of myths and misconceptions happening outside there. Like that developer is really hard. It's not for women, and all those things, right? We believe in MEMOI that those are just barriers that we need to bring them down because it's not true, right? It is not true at all. This is something, being a developer is something that is achievable for each and every person who has decided to start his or her own journey. Because now the good thing is you have all the resources that you need, right? So you need not to afraid anymore about being a developer because you already have us. Right? Another thing, all communities, we have WhatsApp community and we have Telegram community with over 5,000 developers. This is also where you come and interact with your fellow developers, get to hear their own story, get to hear their own journey, right? Get to hear what inspired them to be developers. If they have experienced any challenges before, you get to know and how to navigate in it. And yes, we have Suti here with us. Suti, hi, how are you doing? I mean, let's see. Two devices. Oh, fantastic. Okay, it's good. Yes, video is fine. The video is fine, everything is well. And yeah, we are honored to have you, Sweetie, here. We are honored to have you in the next session that is on the data analytics, understanding data analytics in Web3 with FIDA. I believe I'm pronouncing FIDA this round correctly.
Yes, it is. It's right this time. It's FIDA.
Okay, yes. We call it PT in our place, that is in our country most of the time because we use Swahili language. But that's great. We are honored and we are looking forward for your session. Welcome, Sweetie. Please introduce yourself and take us through your workshop.
Perfect. So, hi everyone. I am Shruti Mantana. I am the Developer Relations Engineer for FIDI. So what FIDI does is basically data analytics for on-chain Web3 data. So a lot of times as developers, as students who are venturing into Web3, we face this issue of, kind of facing major difficulties with accessing analytics platforms. So it always happens that you enter an analytics platform and you tend to kind of maybe, not know where to go, how to operate it, how to maybe query your transactions, how to see the right analytics that you want, right? And it's very hard for someone who's coming from a non-developer background to pull this off. So what FIDA is doing is we currently have two products. One is the Portfolio Analytics Tracker, and the other one is called DotSite. So when I talk about portfolio analytics, it's basically a dashboard that gives you very keen understanding of all your all the assets that you have, be it on your whale wallets, your actual wallets, your NFTs, collections, and all of that. And when I talk about DotSite is more developer friendly. So it's basically an open source project where you can query uh, with like simple GET requests and simple queries, you can pull off all the data that you need. So I think that's like a very quick brief of what FIDA is. Yes. Yes. So when I talk about DotSite, so DotSite basically right now is a GitHub repository. We're open. We also have an iOS app for analytics, and which is on test flight right now. And then what we do majorly with DotSite is it's a very simple process of integrating the front end and back end, and you will have a complete dashboard where all you have to do is literally pick your data source, pick your mapper, pick your middleware, and you're good to go. Once you enter all the details, literally from drop down buttons, you have your analytics dashboard with all the information that you need. So I think that is a very easier way for someone who's coming from a non-dev background. So if I can maybe do like a quick, maybe like a GitHub showcase, I think if that works, I think we can pull that off. I don't seem to find that option here. Could you like help me with that once? I don't see the option for that yet, though. Yeah, sure.
Sure. He's telling me you can be able to share from your side. Sure. Yes, that's for sure. Yeah. Okay.